ClickFunnels is a robust platform for creating sales funnels that help sell products effectively. Here's how to use it to sell your products. Set up an account. Sign up at ClickFunnels and log into your dashboard. If you're new, consider starting with a product-specific funnel template. Create a sales funnel. Click Build a funnel and choose a goal, such as sell a product. Select a pre-designed funnel template tailored for e-commerce or product sales. Add your product. Navigate to the Products tab within your funnel. Input product details, including name, price, and description. Set up payment processors like Stripe or PayPal for seamless transactions. Design funnel pages. Use a drag-and-drop editor to customize each funnel step. Landing page. Capture interest with engaging headlines and product visuals. Sales page. Highlight benefits, features, and testimonials. Checkout page. Simplify the purchase process with a clean design. Thank you page. Confirm purchases and upsell related products. Launch and optimize. Test your funnel to ensure smooth navigation and transaction processes. Drive traffic using ads, email marketing, or social media. Analyze sales metrics in the dashboard to refine your funnel for better conversions.